What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of the DMG Tech Show. I'm your host, Jonathan Parkinson. In this video, I'm just going to do a quick talk. I get a lot of comments, and there's a lot of comments I cannot directly respond to. And the reason is I will get a comment, and so let me see if I can find that out for you. If I go to something like my community, and I'm going to go to this cool guy, 78, he just left me a comment, happens quite a bit. But the reason is if I go to this video, and I show you something really fast, let me pause that, not to annoy anybody, you are going to see that the word linked comment is next to his name. And so I don't have a reply button, as you can see. If I come down here, there's a reply button, but right here, there's no reply button. Why is that? Well, that is purely because the individual has their settings, so who can comment on your public posts. If you have it set to where it's only your circles, then I cannot directly reply to you. Sometimes I will try to go out of my way and just try to tag you and send it to you. I'm not 100% sure it works every single time, but I just want to let you guys know that if you are trying to, communicate with me or anybody on YouTube for that matter, and you're looking for a response, chances are you're not going to get a response if you have that set differently. Because it's just a hassle and it's hard for me to, quickly click the reply button and give you my answer right away. And I get tons and tons and tons of comments. So, every time I have to kind of go out of my way and take a little bit of extra time, it just drags it on a little bit longer. And when I'm replying to hundreds of comments a day, then it gets tedious for me in the long run. So that's not really against you or anybody. It's just, make sure your settings, if you are looking to get that, either do that or add me or add TechByDMG on the Google Plus profile. Add them there, and then every time you have a question for me in the near future or whenever it is, then you know that I can go ahead and respond to you directly. And that's all I really wanted to talk to you about in this video, is just because I do get people, kind of throwing a little tiff, why am I not responding, why am I not doing that, and that's mainly the reason why I can't get to that. If it's another reason, chances are I've answered that question a half a dozen times, and if you just kind of search around, you'll find the answer for that, or read through the comments, you can probably find what you're looking for, or simply just Google your question. So just whatever you're about to ask me, go ahead and paste it if you want to in the comment section, but you can also go ahead and copy it, put it in the Google search, and you're probably going to find your answer right there and then. It's just because some of them are extremely, extremely easy, and not only am I trying to show you new stuff for your Chromebooks or your Linux devices or whatever it is, Android, but I also am trying to push for people to kind of learn. Because I don't like to just show how to do everything every single time and do it for you. Because it's not really helping anybody. But if I can show you how to do something and you can kind of, work it out yourself, who knows, then maybe in the future, you're going to find some tricks out yourself or some new stuff for yourself, and you can, come back and teach me something. So that's really all I wanted to talk to you about this video. Thanks for listening. If it's, this might not pertain to everybody, but, there's a few of you guys out there, especially those that have been using YouTube for a long time, and with the Google Plus YouTube integration that happened last year, or I believe actually 2 years now, a lot of people don't use Google Plus, and so that's kind of how they have it set up. So I just want to let you guys know that. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video.